Hello friends, GitHub has recently released the most awaited GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is basically an AI assistant programmer which will help you to provide or fetch some code snippets which is publicly available over the internet. So what I am guessing, like GitHub is using its public repository to train its AI algorithm, and whenever you are looking for some code sample, so based on the best match and best code quality, it is recommending you the most preferred or most suggesting solution. So I am going to try it out on my Visual Studio Code, where I have created a very plain vanilla .NET C# solution. So this is just a hello world program. So I'm going to demonstrate you GitHub Copilot. So what I have done, I have installed the Visual Studio Code plugin of GitHub Copilot, and you can see the code, the plugin is active here, and this plugin needs your GitHub login, then only it will work. So since I have got the access to technical preview, so I'm using it. If you wish to get the technical preview access, you can sign up here. Alright, so moving on to find some smaller solution using this Copilot. So let us say if I want to get method to get sum of two numbers. Let's see how it is suggesting. So whenever you are hitting enter, it is suggesting the next line. On every enter, it will be suggesting next line, right? So this is the end of the method. So this is the method to get the sum of two integers. Let's go for some more complicated solution. I want to basically have a method to get user info from Microsoft Graph API. So those people who have used Microsoft Graph API or familiar with it, here is the method to get the user details. Let's see how it is coming up. This is awesome. Okay, so one thing I have seen here, since this console read line should not be ideally the part of this this static method get user info, but maybe over the web or over the internet some user have created this method with this particular line, so that's why it is coming up here. So I believe, like, with time this Copilot thing will get more mature and will provide more cleaner code. So what I understood is it is not altering, it is not changing the code through its intelligence. It is using its intelligence to get the most matching code sample for you based on the comment you have provided for the method, right? That code could be a junk code could be an unoptimized code. So the programmer should be a very smart programmer to figure it out, like whether this code is useful for them, optimized for them, or it's a junk for them, right? But again, for a smart programmer, definitely this is a very good thing and going to save a lot of time. Let me check it out for some more example. Let's say I want to get some Azure table information from Azure. So how I'm going to do that? Method to get data from Azure Azure table. Let's see, get data, table client. Okay, all right, this is simply awesome. Yeah, this is not going to recommend you like what kind of nugget package it needs. You need to figure out by your own. This is your task. So currently this is available for Visual Studio Code, but in future I'm expecting that it will be coming up soon for some more IDEs. In Visual Studio, I have seen like in Visual Studio 2022 preview, such kind of automatic code suggestions are already there. Although it's not part of the GitHub Copilot, but automatic code suggestions are already there in VS 2022. Because I'm using it. So I'm not sure if the code base for this copilot and that AI auto suggestion is same or entirely different or whatever it is, but both are kind of very similar features. So you can also take a look of Visual Studio preview version of 2022 if you are a VS user. So that's all about GitHub Copilot. Thank you for watching.